Moss, mold, and mildew stains steal your home shine. Clean the easy way with Wet and Forget. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no bleach. Just wet it and forget it. Available in 2 and 4 liter size bottles that make 12 and 24 liters. Wet and Forget concentrate is easily mixed with water in any garden pump-up sprayer. Start by pouring 1 part of Wet and Forget into the sprayer, then add in 5 parts water. A few pumps, and you're ready to clean. Wet and Forget is bleach-free, so there's no worry about what you're cleaning, no second-step rinsing, and no guesswork. Wet and Forget is safe on most outdoor surfaces like fences, patios, brick, painted surfaces, decks, metal, and more. Wet and Forget works over time with the wind and rain. Generally, green stains clean up in about a week or 2. Black stains and moss come clean in a few months. The 2-liter bottle covers up to 100 square meters, with the 4-liter covering up to 200 square meters, depending on how porous the surface is. For nearby plants, simply rinse them with water before and after application. You can also cover plants while spraying. Apply Wet and Forget on a cool, dry day and when the surface is dry. Once clean, typically a once-a-year application helps keep your surfaces looking great. The best part is that it's so easy. You simply wet the surface and forget it. Ditch the bleach and scrubbing. Check out Wet and Forget Concentrate.